Today I'm going to be teaching you about the back post double crochet. A back post double crochet is a double crochet stitch that is worked around the post of a designated stitch, often just the next available stitch. So to work a back post double crochet stitch, we're going to work around this part of the stitch, this tall part, not the top two loops where we would normally insert the hook. That is not what we're going to do. We are going to insert the hook around the post. On a double crochet stitch, the post is much taller. On a half double crochet stitch, the post is a little bit shorter than a double crochet. And on a single crochet stitch, the post is relatively short, and it can be a little challenging to get your hook around it, but the single crochet stitch still has a post. It's just very small. Again, the post is this tall bit of the stitch, the part of the stitch that gives the stitch height. So for a double crochet, we will yarn over and we will insert the hook from the back. Since we are working a back post double crochet, we're going to insert the hook from the back to the front, insert the hook back to the back of the work in front of the post of the double crochet stitch that we are working around. Right now, this is just a double crochet stitch that I'm working around, but you can work a back post double crochet around any of the stitches that I mentioned, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, or any of the other stitches in the glossary. So we're going to yarn over and pull up. That leaves 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. It leaves this part of the stitch that you would normally work into unworked and at the front of the work. That's normal. We will skip that. We worked into the post. We didn't work into those 2 loops. This stitch is complete. We ignore these loops. I'm going to work a regular double crochet into the next stitch. And then I'm going to work another back post double crochet. So to work a back post double crochet again, we yarn over, we insert the hook from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back around the post of the stitch that we are working around. We're going to yarn over and pull that up. That puts 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. As you can see, again, it leaves these 2 loops unworked. We will not work into them. That's true for the front post double crochet as well. And from the back of the work, because this is a back post double crochet, you can see that beautiful texture starting to form because of the 2 back post double crochet stitches. So now I'm going to crochet to the next section, and then I will show you how to work a back post double crochet around a half double crochet stitch post. To work a back post double crochet stitch around a half double crochet, we identify the next available stitch, which is this guy right here. We're going to insert the hook after yarning over from the back of the work to the front of the work, and then insert it back out the back of the work, but in front of the post of the next available stitch that we're working around, that half double crochet that I had identified. And then we're going to yarn over and pull that up. Should have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That completes a back post double crochet stitch around a half double crochet. I'm going to do that again. First, I'm going to create another double crochet stitch in between, and then I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back around the post of that half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull that up. Oh, I got stuck on something. I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook from the back to the front, and then to the back of the work again. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's 2 back post double crochet stitches into half double crochet stitches. To work a back post double crochet stitch around the post of a single crochet, we're going to identify the single crochet we're going to work into. We are not inserting the hook as normal under those 2 loops. We're going to yarn over. We're going to insert the hook from the back of the work to the front of the work next to the post of that single crochet stitch. Then we're going to insert the hook back to the back of the work around the post of that single crochet. We're going to yarn over and pull that carefully up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's how to work a back post double crochet stitch around the post of a single crochet. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to yarn over, insert that hook from the back of the work to the front of the work, and then back again, yarn over. Oh, I lost it. Yarn over, insert the hook from the back of the work to the front of the work, next to the post of that next available single crochet stitch, and then insert the hook into this around the side of that single crochet stitch post through to the back of the work again, which catches the post on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull that up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that creates 2 back post double crochet stitches into single crochet stitches. It doesn't make quite as nice of a long texture the way that it works with a working into or around double crochet stitches, but it still does create a texture to it. So that is how you work a back post double crochet stitch. I hope that helps.